Webex is a critical component to T-Mobile's collaboration ecosystem and helps us deliver on our brand promise of delivering outstanding wireless services to our customers.
We've made promises to our customers. We promise that we're going to fix your call the first time you contact us. We have enabled our team of experts to sit together in a pod to talk to each other.
When we moved to a work-from-home model for our contact center space, that became incredibly difficult because they were no longer in the same physical space.
Cisco came to us and implemented a contact center solution that really helped us streamline the calling experience for our frontline and external customers.
Cisco unlocked cloud queuing for us, which allows us to actually pair agents with customers when they're available, regardless of geography. And that was just a huge unlock. It's a huge unlock in efficiency, and it's a big gain in customer satisfaction.
In a matter of weeks, we were able to shut down all of our call centers and enable 12,000 agents to get back on the phone to help our customers. We know now that we don't have to physically be together because we have the tools that we need to stay in contact with each other. What Cisco allows us to do is route that call to a local call center or to a global partner overseas, and now we can also route that call to the agent's actual home. We will be able to connect our customers via any of the channels, so we can make sure that that call is answered anytime.
And most importantly, we were able to serve our customers and to help them when they most needed it in a time of great uncertainty.